Use data to drive financial management excellence, a step-by-step guide. This article is a comprehensive guide on using data to drive financial management excellence in organizations. The post is designed to help businesses understand the significance of data to drive financial management excellence, and how to successfully implement a data-driven approach to optimize the financial management processes. Introduction. Financial management is crucial for the success of any business in today's competitive environment. It involves effectively managing the financial resources of an organization to achieve its goals and objectives. With the increasing amount of data available to organizations, it is more important than ever for them to use data to inform their financial management decisions. By leveraging data, organizations can gain a deeper understanding of their financial performance and identify opportunities for improvement. In this article, I outline the key steps you can take to use data to drive financial management excellence. These steps include defining financial management objectives, collecting and analyzing data, implementing data-driven strategies, and continuously monitoring and improving financial management practices. By following these steps, organizations can improve their financial performance and achieve their goals and objectives. So, are you looking to take your financial management to the next level? If so, using data is the key. Data can help you identify areas of improvement, track progress, and make informed decisions that can lead to real results. But how do you get started? This comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know about using data to drive financial management excellence, from setting objectives to monitoring and improving your progress. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools you need to take your financial management to the next level. So let's get started. Step 1. Define your financial management objectives. There is no question that data has the power to transform financial management in organizations. When used effectively, data can provide insights that help organizations to make more informed decisions, optimize processes, and improve performance. And indeed, one of the first steps in using data to drive financial management excellence is to define your financial management objectives. Organizations can use data to identify their financial management objectives by analyzing their financial performance over time and identifying areas for improvement. So how can organizations use data to drive financial management excellence? The first step is to define your financial management objectives. Why is it important to set specific, measurable, and achievable goals? The answer is simple: without specific goals, it's impossible to know if you're making progress toward excellence in financial management. Measurable goals also give you a way to track progress and ensure that you are on track to meet your objectives. Finally, setting achievable goals is critical. If your goals are not achievable, you will quickly become discouraged and may give up on your efforts altogether. Tips for effectively communicating financial management objectives to different stakeholders. 1. Keep it simple. When communicating objectives to different stakeholders, it's important to keep the message clear and concise. Use plain language that everyone can understand. 2. Be specific. Make sure that your objectives are specific enough so that everyone knows what they need to do. This will help avoid confusion and ensure that everyone is working towards the same goal. Once you have identified your financial management objectives, it is essential to set specific, measurable, and achievable goals. This allows your organization to track progress and make adjustments as needed to ensure you are meeting your objectives. It also helps to ensure that all team members are aware of the targets they need to achieve and that they can take action toward that. 3. Get buy-in from everyone. It's important that everyone involved in meeting the objective agrees with it and is committed to achieving it. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to succeed. Effective communication is critical when it comes to getting buy-in to financial management objectives. Tips for effectively communicating objectives to different stakeholders include using clear and simple language, providing relevant data and context, and involving stakeholders in the goal-setting process. Regularly reviewing the objectives and keeping them updated will also help in effective communication. 4. Set a timeline. Having a timeline for achieving an objective will help keep everyone focused and on track. It will also make it easier to measure progress and identify any areas where improvements need to be made. In Part 2, we shall complete the remaining 3 steps on how to use data to drive financial management. Step 2. Collect and analyze your data. Step 3. Implementing data-driven financial management strategies. And finally, Step 4. Continuously monitor and improve your financial management. Keep watching for more financial management tips.